1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 T-Top Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. No miles registered on it over the 74,740 on the odometer at the moment. Underneath the hood, 305 V8. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech did note that the AC did not blow cold, will need some attention. Heater blows hot. Let's take a look at this front fascia or front bumper. Dark blue metallic paint. Paint does show its age in some spots, and there are a few imperfections, nicks or dings, and I'll kind of point them out as we go around. It's one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. We'll get to more of that in just a bit. First of all, still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All the still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on the Z28 wheels. Mastercraft Avenger GT radials. Technician did note that tires will also need attention in the near future, just due to age. Getting up there in age, starting to weather some. Let's take a look down this passenger side. And again, a few nicks or maybe dings here or there. Some rock chips down on the very bottom. The Z28 stripe. Blue interior. And again, T-top coupe. Of course, bucket seat, center console. And we'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a spin. And you can see some of the stripes. Again, showing their age a little bit. See the T-tops and the bags for them, the storage bags in the cargo area. It must have new struts on the back too, because there was a note as far as opening this rear hatch. Be careful because the struts are quite strong. That would tell me that they are newer, because that's typically pretty heavy with that rear glass in there. All right, one more time, the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And some notes from the technician on this one that looked at it in our service department. He did mention the brakes are 70% in the front. The rears are new. It does have new rear wheel cylinders, a new battery. In 2025, there's a lot of service work that's indicated on the Carfax also. And some of that includes the tranny gasket was replaced, distributor cap, new plugs and wires, tranny filter and fluid changed, alignment done, new steering gear, new power steering pump and hoses. And then he also mentioned the rear shocks leak a little bit, some powertrain seeps, and it does have the exhaust with catalytic converter. Let's look down this driver's side, and again, kind of pointed out a couple more of those imperfections in the paint. If you like Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. It's just that, yeah, there are imperfections in it. The car's been driven and ready for someone else to enjoy and have some fun with. Door panels. Again, kind of that medium blue interior. I'm not noticing any major rips, tears, holes in the seats. Seat belt still intact. That blue note right there, that's mentioning the release there for the rear hatch, that those struts are quite strong. Tilt column, cruise control. There is the original bill of sale for this car, as well as owner's manual and some of the miscellaneous new car paperwork that will go along with it, as well as a brochure. All right, so there's the odometer, 75,740. That appears to be original. 6-digit odometer besides. Oil pressure needle does bounce a little bit. Tack appears to be working. Battery gauge, fuel gauge, and temp gauge. And that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Did notice there's a few fine cracks in the top of the dash. Aftermarket stereo, Pioneer, AM, FM, CD. I've not played around with that at all. Let's see if we can figure it out a second here. Appears to be working. Little Phil era correct music playing with the car. All right. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Small block shove, sounding pretty good. Let's pop this hood a second. Take a peek at that engine bay. And once again, stick around. Jason will take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Show you how it goes down the road. I think I can get this one one-handed, maybe. Hood strut's working good too. Hey, even under hood light working. There's a hood liner and engine bay. Did mention the AC was in op, so compressor will need some attention. Power steering, power brakes, 305. 4-barrel Rochester on there. Sounds good. 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 T-top car. Original miles, no accidents indicated on the car. Facts, call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1982 Chevrolet Camaro with glass T-tops, a beautiful blue paint job, and blue to match on the inside with cloth. Nice soft cloth bucket seats. Turn signal indicators are both working with this car. It's an automatic, shifted right there on the center console. Got a little bit of heat blowing. The blower motor is working as it should. Speedometer working. That speedometer that is one long tilting needle, kilometers on one side, miles per hour on the other. Very cool. Temp gauge is working its way up to a quarter of the way up the gauge. The fuel gauge shows full. The battery charging over 14 volts. That's all right in the middle there. Tachometer working. Next to that, inside the tach, is an oil pressure gauge showing 55 psi, looking good. There's a clock down on the center console behind the shifter. Before the storage, we also have storage capability. Very nice condition. There's a couple cracks in the top of the dash. Typical kind of cracks from over the years. This car, on the odometer at least, only showing less than 80,000 miles. And it drives nice. Nice firm ride you'd want from a sports car. Yet smooth on the road. Brakes are working well, nice and smooth, no pulls to either side. Power steering, very good. Easy to steer. Nice and flat. Camaro, one of America's muscle cars. Handling the way it should and looking good. Take a look at all the pictures of this car over at uniqueclassiccars.com.